Hello friends, today I am going to share a very easy chocolate cake recipe. Let's see what all ingredients we require for that. As you can see, we need some baking powder, milk and 3 packetful of Dark Fantasy Choco Fills biscuit. Let's start with the recipe. So firstly we need to take a blender. In that we are going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Along with that we are adding 3/4 cup of milk. And now we can add the biscuits. I am breaking these biscuits and adding it because I feel then it is easier for them to blend nicely into a smooth paste. So you can also try breaking these and adding. It will give you a very nice smooth mixture. Now let's go and blend these. I am blending it into a smooth paste as this is going to be the batter for our cake. So we have to nicely blend it. Now after blending, I've taken a cake mold and I'm greasing it with some oil. You can use butter or oil, whatever is available with you. And now I'm pouring this mixture into the mold. So this is basically a very easy recipe. You don't even require an oven to make this. So now let's see how we're going to make it. I've taken a big vessel, kept the mold inside the vessel and covered it with a lid on a low flame and cooked it for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes I've checked if it is cooked properly. As we can see, the cake is perfectly cooked. So now let us keep it to cool down. For the toppings, I've actually taken some chocolate and added some milk to it and I've heated it so it's become like a chocolate sauce. So you can use any topping, Nutella or anything whatever is available with you. I had some chocolate so I took that. Now let's put the cake into a plate and we can add these chocolate sauce on top of it. So you can again now take Nutella or whatever topping, white chocolate or anything what you have, Hershey's chocolate sauce or something, anything what you have, you can add to it. So I am spreading it evenly, nicely, the chocolate sauce on top of the cake. And now to decorate the cake, what I found at my home was some choco chips, chocos. So I had it in vanilla and chocolate flavors. So I'm using a little bit of my creativity here and I'm decorating it. This part is completely up to you how you want to do it. Also I found some granola, so I'm adding it to the cake. Yeah, I hope this turns out really nice. Actually, I must say this is my very first attempt at making a cake, but this looks really nice. So let's see how it's going to taste once it's all done. So I've added some more granola on top, and yeah, our cake is almost done. Now what we have to do is that after all the dressing, all the topping is done, we have to refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes so that it all cools down and it settles. So we're going to refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, our cake is ready now. Now let's see how it tastes. So here we have Shania. She's my neighbor's daughter. So now as this is like a lockdown season, so kids are cranky nowadays. They want something or the other every day. So let's see how she reacts. I think at first she didn't like it, but don't worry, she's loving it. She wants a small piece. Yeah, she loves it. Yay! So our cake recipe was a hit. I'm sure all your children would love it. Do try it at home. It's very easy and it doesn't require an oven or any more ingredients. Just 3 basic ingredients. Yeah, you can try it. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.